Hello, my name's Grace, and this is my Scratch animation. I will be playing it. It'll be playing on the top right corner, and then as that's playing, I'll be going through the coding on the left. All right, that's my animation. Comments on how I feel like I went with this. Prior to doing this exercise, I'm not very good at coding. I don't really have much background in it, but I did like the Scratch program. I thought it was really user friendly. I really liked, and I think it'd be good within a primary school setting of how each of the functions were color coded, how motions, looks, and sound. And so when you go back to your the coding that you have, you can see what code links to what function. So if there was a problem and if things weren't running smoothly, you could go, oh, why isn't the sound playing at this time? And it's like, oh, because it's linked here and it should be here. Oh, like why isn't it starting? It's like, oh, because I didn't put a start when you click go sign. I thought that was good. I think maybe a possible issue integrating this into schools is that it's very resource obviously dependent. You need like an iPad or a laptop to do so, and most schools do have that. But just thought I'd add that little of a note. And I think implementing this into a primary school curriculum program, I think it does align with the curriculum because it does show a sequencing of events, especially in the higher end of the curriculum with the 5, 6 areas within data planning information and applying digital systems, linking digital systems to connect together to transmit data, transmit like an animation. I think a good way to use this within the primary school setting could be a cross curriculum link with like humanities, whether it's like the Regis Stockade and creating like maybe like an event that happened, or you could link it to math and using the operations section in the green here, and you could like create like a math game. Like if you type in a number that's like greater or less than 50, for example, a little thing could go green, and that would be like obviously on the higher end of the coding side. I think this program might be a bit too high on the side for Foundation 1 and 2 for coding to be integrated into the program, but I thought all around it was a good program.